This is our 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. It has a heated steering wheel and cruise control, heads-up display, as well as a trailer brake controller. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, heated and cooled front and passenger seats, wireless charging, universal home remote, as well as a sunroof. It has memory seats, as well as the Bose audio system. It has the power running boards. It has a red exterior with the tan interior, as well as the magnetic ride control. Comes with the power liftgate, as well as the power folding seats. In the back seat, you have a heated second row, as well as their own climate controls. There is third row seating, as well as the rear entertainment system. And that is our 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. If you have any questions or would like any more information, visit GoMeyerMotors.com, and thank you for watching.